Why noting details is a special skill or an important skills to learn, especially in our reading. When you note details, you pick out the important information or details that you get from the text you read. Usually, these details answer the 5 WH questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. Mastering answering WH questions can help you take note of the details to understand most texts you read or listen to. So better practicing taking notes when you are reading, because when you do that, you get the most substantial information on the text you read. That's all.